Okay, in the off season, there's a couple other things that we want to look at on this feeder cup to make sure it's turning freely and that it's trouble-free when we go out there in the spring. The first thing is we want to make sure that this slides easily back and forth. If it doesn't, we can take some slip plate or some dry graphite and put on this shaft and make sure it's good and free. The next thing I'd like to see you do is take the chain off coming back from the gearbox and turn this shaft by hand and make sure that it turns freely. If it doesn't turn freely, there's a couple things that could be wrong. The first one is on this outside ring, which is easier to see on this outside ring, if we've done a lot of really fine seeds or we have a lot of seed treatment, sometimes we can get a buildup in there and it can make it turn hard. If we've done that, then we need to take this off and we can clean that out. The second one is a bigger problem. And a lot of times what we see is if they're turning hard, somebody has thought, well, they're starting to not turn very well, and they've used a petroleum-based product on this plastic, and it's trying to weld itself to the flute that spins on the inside. Now, if you've done that, it's not going to get any better. So while we're in the off season, we need to take this all apart, get new components, clean everything up, put it all back together. Now, when we do that, we're going to have to recalibrate, make sure every one of the flutes is all the same. And in a previous video, we talked about taking it to 100% and zeroing out the cups. All that's going to have to be done, and we're going to have to make sure and zero out our feeder cup, and I would suggest at 50%.